If you can't log on to your virtual machine, and if you are seeing the pause critical status on your Hyper-V VM and getting the error disk encountered critical IO error, don't panic. Your virtual machine has not crashed and your data is not gone. It has simply frozen to protect itself because your physical storage is likely maxed out. Now I am going to show you how to fix this issue. Right click on your VM and click on settings, where you will find your virtual hard disk, and in my case my virtual hard disk in F drive. Now go to your computer file explorer, click on this PC. F drive is nearly full. This is why my virtual machine is paused and critical. Now I need to free up some space. Minimum 200 MB space you need to free up from this drive. Now I'm going to free up some space from my F drive, and hopefully it will solve my issue. Now I need to turn off my virtual computer. Right click on the VM and click on turn off. Then click on turn off. Again, I am going to start my virtual machine, and finally I am trying to log on my virtual computer and log in successfully. And there is no error message showing with my virtual machine. Now the virtual machine is working properly. That's it. This is the easiest way to fix Hyper-V VM post critical disks encountered critical IO error.